friends, welcome back to my channel Style Easy Designing. I am Lakshmi and today's topic about how to draw fashion figure step by step, and this scale is a grading scale. Length of this scale 18 inches. Now I will draw a straight line 12.5 inches. It's called a balance line. I will show you how to make flush figure with stick figure. So follow my steps. Now I will divide straight line into 10 parts and each part equal to 10 blocks. It means 1.25 inches, and if you are using 12 inches scale, so you will need to take each part above 3 centimeter. Now I have divided the straight line into 10 parts. Here I am giving a numbers 1 to 10. 0 to 1 is a head part and half of 1 and 2 is a shoulder line. Go to the head. It will be 3 blocks and 3 blocks. It means 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter and total of 2 centimeter we can measure, and shoulder will be 7 blocks and 7 blocks. It means 2.25 centimeter and 2.25 centimeter and total of 4.5 centimeter, and bust will be 5 block. It means 1.5 centimeter and total of 3 centimeter. Bust done, and waist will be 4 blocks. It means 1.25 centimeter, total of 2.5 centimeter. Hip 7 blocks and 7 blocks. It means 2.25 centimeter, total 4.5 centimeter. Follow my steps, and here this one is a head, shoulder line, bust line, waistline and hip line. And now I am going on head. Head will be a oval shape, just like I am drawing. Go to shoulder line. Shoulder will be little bit up of shoulder line, just I am drawing. Then go to the necklines. Necklines will be straight. Then we will do shape of shoulders. Now I am on bust line. Draw the curve shape on both sides, just I am drawing. Then draw the line with shape and touch on waistline, then hip line. As a same line, draw second side. Now I am erasing all extra lines and whatever I written here. Here I am drawing hand line. It will be 4 inches and half of 4 inches is elbow. I will also draw second hand, same like first one, 2 inches and 2 inches, total of 4 inches. Now I will give the shape of the hand. You can also draw with me. Now draw crotch. Just I am drawing. This is a straight figure, so legs will be also straight. On this 7 point is a knee point. Then draw the legs with shape. After that, draw feet. If you don't understand any step, then you can comment me, and if you want to show your illustration, then you can send me on Instagram. You will find the Instagram ID in the description. And this figure almost done, and I will show next one with pose. And firstly I will draw a stick figure. All the measurement will be same as first one, like head, shoulder, bust, waist and hip. So here this one is a pose. So firstly you have to take half inches here, and this one is the hip point. Then draw the line like I have done. Then measure waist on the second line and hip also. It will be tilde line, not straight, same as I have done. Now I am making legs. Legs will be 7.5 inches, and half of 7.5 inches is a knee. If you want long legs, you can make it. It's up to you. Now draw hand line, same like first one, 2 inches and 2 inches, total 4 inches. Here I have completed stick figure. Now I will give the body shape just I have done. First one, let's start the head part. It will be oval shape, then shoulder, after that bust, then waist, then hip and legs. Then my flesh figure is also done. If you have learned anything of this video, so please subscribe my channel and do like and comment, and also share my videos. Thanks for watching.